Welcome back to my channel. I am Susie by name. Welcome to Susie Global Conservative channel. This is Gary cassava flakes. It's already fried done. Yes, just buy it like this and make it a swallow, or you drink it, soak it and drink. So this is Gary flakes. I'm going to be selling it in my neighborhood. So these are the things I was able to afford with my salary. This is half bag of Gary. And this is crayfish, also direct from the village. This one I've packaged it already, ready for sale. I'm going to be selling it in my neighborhood, and I also advertise it to parents in school. Yes, for sale. I also tie some. Yes, these are some of the essential needs that people buy every day. They buy every day. So this is seafood. This is seafood, crayfish seafood. It is gotten from saltwater region, which is the eastern and southern part of Nigeria. Yes, where there's seawater, salt water. I mean, yes, that is where it is gotten from. So I also tie some. So this is also ogbono. Ogbono. I also package it. I package some for sale too. And I also tie some, like this is milk cup, pan milk cup. And this is grounded egusi. They are yet to deliver the ungrounded one to me. And this is fish. Sorry, I forgot, I've not recorded it, and I brought it out from the freezer because I need to preserve it in the freezer so it doesn't spoil. Although it is smoked, but it's not dry very well, so it can easily spoil. And this is peanut granite fried one. So I'm going to be peeling off the back and tie it in nylon. I'll be taking it to school. I'll be taking this one along with me to school to sell to teachers and as well to parents, so parents can buy for their kids. No need for them to be stepping out of school. No need for teachers to be stepping out of school to go buy this, or to go and be buying from outside. Since they know that I sell this, they'll be coming to buy from me in school. Yes, thank God the store proprietor has given me the go ahead to be selling whatever I can sell in the school so I can make extra income. Yes, I'm that hustling type. I love making money in a legitimate way. Yes, this has been my business. So I've peeled the back and I've tied it. Yes, so this is how we tie it now, and this go for 100 naira per one. Yes, so I love hustling, I love making money. This is my best business ever, and